Let's talk about food tongs. Salad tongs set of 9-inch 12-inch cooking tongs. Barbecue tongs. Grill salad ice tongs. Heat resistant. Food grade black. One. Good quality, FDA approved silicone kitchen tongs. Our premium silicone is 100 FDA grade and BPA free. It's heat resistant to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, and stain and odor resistant. 2. Ergonomic design, non-slip, ergonomic and firm grip design. Handle, easy control and pick things, allow one-hand use. 3. Easy to use and clean, with scalloped steel heads coated in silicone. Our tips are firm and angled to offer amazing grip and control. Simply wipe under hot water or throw them in the dishwasher. 4. Perfect kitchen tongs for cooking, serving, barbecue, buffet, salad, ice, oven use. You will find how handy it is. 5. Bonus: a gift box. Best gift for families and friends. I haven't properly used these tongs yet, but as soon as I held them in my hand, I understood this was a good product for its intended use. The build and quality is very good. It locks by a simple pull and unlocks by a mere push of the clip at the end of the handle, a function I have never encountered in a pair of tongs before. It grips well and feels so nice to hold in the hand. I liked that there were 2 different sizes, and for this price $6.90 they are really good value. I don't know what else to say, there's just nothing bad about it. I bought these as the tongs in the shop were either of poor quality or plasticine metal tip. I would highly recommend these. Not only are they sturdy and a good size, they will also prolong the life of your non-stick cookware. Worth the extra money. Okay quality, bit expensive. We had ones from Poundland before and they lasted a good while, and these seem of similar quality.